Me. You guys, I'm hungry, okay?
You look sick. Why didn't you eat breakfast like the rest of us?
Yeah, it's the most important meal of the day. I don't like worms. What? I eat bugs and bread and berries and stuff. I just don't like worms. So you guys all had worms this morning.
Yeah, sure. Of course, delicious.
I had an apple. It was a Melrose.
Shh, the princess is coming. Let's sing.
You all sing so lovely. I think a girl should know her part and know it well. Mischievous men exist, it's just so hard to tell. I need someone to hold on tight who won't let go. He comes in color cause he's not your average Joe. Oh, good morning, Paisley. How are you this morning? You had a dream. Oh, bad dream. About a monster who likes corn on the cob. Oh, who tried to eat you. But you escaped. Candy apple tree. Oh, you escaped through candy apple forest. Well, I'm glad you're okay. Oh, well, all right, I will. And thank you for liking my singing. I want a smart man who's handsome through and through. I need a good man. Integrity, that's true. He loves adventure and exploring nature's plays an instrument. But that's not all.
Princess Melrose, you have a pretty voice.
Oh, thank you, Orangey.
If I were taller, and if I had more teeth, and if I was less furry and a human, I would want to marry you. Can't believe I just said that out loud. Gosh, look at the time. See ya.
Paisley, would you like to help me make some ribbons?
Can we come too?
Sure, let's go.
Yay, we get to make ribbons. Ooh, let's go.
Oh, ribbons. Yes, ribbons. Oh, ribbons. Yeah, ribbons.
Hey, chicken. I hope you had a comfortable night.
I'm hungry, okay?
All right, hold your eggs. I'm going to feed you.
Why didn't you eat breakfast like the rest of us?
I did eat breakfast this morning. What?
Yeah, it's the most important meal of the day.
Right, that's why I already had breakfast.
I don't like worms.
Since when don't you like worms? What are you talking about?
He's just repeating what he heard the bird sing this morning, Ted.
Oh, hi, Orangey. I keep forgetting he's a parrot chicken.
Yeah, you don't see many of those these days, do you?
No, you don't.
Shh, the princess is coming.
Give it a rest, chicken.
The princess has a beautiful voice, doesn't she?
Ooh, you've got the hots for the princess, huh?
I do not, no. I just think she has a pretty voice.
Patchy princess, didn't she?
That's not funny, all right. Princess Melrose will never be interested in a guy like me.
Why do you say that?
Well, what do I have to offer her? She's a princess, and I'm just a simple farmhand. I don't own anything.
From what I've seen, Princess Melrose doesn't really care about stuff.
That's where you're wrong. To impress a princess, you gotta have stuff.
Good morning, Patch Greenleaf.
Good morning, Princess Melrose. Those are beautiful flowers you have there.
Oh, thank you.
Shh, the princess is coming.
Oh, I'm already here.
Oh, of course you are. Oh, look, there you are. Fancy seeing you here.
Well, I live here.
Oh, I know that, silly. I know where you
like
live.
worms.
I don't like worms in my soup.
Yes, I can imagine that would be a bit unpleasant.
Yeah, it is.
Patchy princess.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
I should probably get back to doing my chores now. I'm sorry to have interrupted your song.
Oh, but you didn't interrupt anything.
I don't think she cares about stuff.
I don't think she cares about anything I have.
Oh, I almost forgot. We've got a wire meeting in 5 minutes.
Oh, what's a wire meeting?
I'm not really sure. We just line up on a wire and look at each other for hours.
I don't have time to explain. We're already late.
See ya, Princess Melrose.
Bye.
Paisley, you gotta stop doing that. Hold on, give me a sec. Oh, all right. You got a story. You're sleeping. Oh, dreaming. A bad dream about a monster who likes corn on the cob. Oh, who's trying to eat you? Oh, so you ran a track meet. No, you escaped. Oh, candy apple. Oh, through the candy apple forest. Wow. I'm certainly glad you're okay. Oh, not you too. Yes, I saw Princess Melrose this morning, but no, I didn't try to kiss her. Why bother?
That's it, Princess.
That's the Parrot Chicken. He likes to repeat what other people say, but just forget about it, all right? Princess Melrose will never be interested in a guy like me. What? Don't be like that, Paisley. Fine, now you're just being childish. Fine. I'm just being real. Princess Melrose will never be interested in any guy like me, so you can pout all you want. I've got chores to do.
Oh, hello, my darling daughter. Was that you I heard singing earlier?
Why, yes, Father. You know how I love to sing.
Oh, yes, that and all the other things you love to do. What were you singing about this time?
Oh, well, Father, I was just singing about the man that I want to marry.
Oh, dear.
I want him to be smart and handsome and a good dancer, and he loves nature, and he plays an instrument and loves adventure like me.
My dear, it's with a heavy heart that I must tell you this. You know there's been a dreadful shortage of apples this year in the kingdom.
Yes.
And, well, the people of Mapleside depend on these apples to survive.
Yes, I know, Father.
Well, there's a man who says he can fix the problem and increase production and save the kingdom.
Oh, that's good, right?
Yes, but he'll only do it for your hand in marriage.
He wants to marry me. Well, is he smart? Can he dance? Does he love nature? Does he love adventure? Can he play an instrument?
I think he can whistle.
Yes, but Father, I've been dreaming of marrying somebody with all of these qualities.
I know that, my dear, but we must think about the people of our kingdom. It's our duty to take care of them.
Isn't there any other way to save them?
Oh, I wish there were. I surely wish there were.
Well, then I trust you, Father. If this will save the people, then I will do what you ask. And maybe I'll like him once I get to know him.
Well, now that's the spirit, my dear. He'll be around in a short while and work out all the details. And you, the people of Mapleside, will owe you a great, great debt of gratitude. Ooh. Great gratitude.
I'm going to marry a man I've never met. My kingdom needs me, but I'm not quite ready yet.
I can't just tell her how I feel, it wouldn't be right. Not the man for whom she sings with such delight. Hello? Hello? Well, I must be early. Perfect. What a charming little pumpkin patch. Ugh. I hate pumpkins. Now, let's run through this again before the king gets here. He already believes I can save his precious apple farm and therefore save the people of Mapleside. Ugh! Oh, that name's gotta go. What he doesn't know is I've been hoarding all the apples to make it look like there's a shortage. I am a genius. Now, once I marry the princess, lock her in a tower, and take over the orchard, I will rule the entire kingdom of Mapleside. Ugh, that name has really got to go. Hello? Hello? Well, now, what am I going to do about that insipid girl, Princess Melrose? Let's see, I could boiling cauldron, I could put her in a... Oh yes! Ha-ha! I could boil her in cider. No. No, I wouldn't want to waste the cider. Let's... Oh, I could lock her in a dark and dreary dungeon. No, she will probably charm the rats and they'll help her tunnel her way out. No, there has got to be some other way that I can... Yes, this is perfect. I will lock her in a tower high above the orchard where she can see me getting richer and richer. And I'll need something to guard the tower to keep her from escaping. How about a tiger? No, too feline-y. Do I know anyone with an ogre? No, this is perfect. I will lock her in a tower and guard it with a ferocious fire-breathing dragon. I don't think that's ever been done before. I gotta write that down. I am such a genius.
Oh, there you are, sauerkraut.
It's sour seed.
Oh, yes, of course it is, Well, I see you found the castle, all right.
Yes, seriously? It's the only one for 1,000 miles.
Well, I told you it would be easy.
Oh, yeah. Is your daughter, the Princess Melrose, around?
Well, she's around here someplace, I suppose. Why don't we go work out all the details, and then I'll introduce you. Come over here this way.
Forgive me, my goodly king, but once we conclude our agreement, I see no reason why we shouldn't be married today.
Well, today? Well, we're not
Oh,
ready.
my liege, the sooner I have control, the sooner the princess and I can begin our life together, then the sooner I can get to work restoring prosperity to the kingdom of Mapleside.
Oh, I suppose you're right. Let's go find the Princess Melrose.
After you, my liege.
Oh, Patch, my good man. Seems there's going to be a wedding here today. Would you mind just tidying up a bit?
A wedding? Who's getting married?
Yes, my daughter, the princess, is going to be marrying sour cream here.
Sour seed.
Right. Sorry.
Very well, sir.
Right.
Hazy, slow down on what's going on? Wait, who's that? Oh, the princess. She's trying to make a deposit. Just calm down. I can't possibly keep up with you. Calm down. Now tell me, slowly, what happened? Hazy, you're moving way too fast. Try this. Give me a deep breath. Deeper breath than that. One more. Now, isn't that better? Listen, I think I know what you're trying to say, and I already know. It's okay, I know. King Orchard just said Princess Melrose is getting married. She's not getting married. She is getting married. Well, which is it? Well, she is getting married.
Pumpkin. Ugh, I hate pumpkin.
So Chicken doesn't like pumpkin. You're gonna have to get over that, Paisley.
Ah, good, you're all here.
This is an important moment for a princess on her wedding day. You're not going to ruin it.
Now, let's see here. We are all gathered here today to witness the union of the noble sour sap to
Sour seed.
sour seed to my lovely daughter, the Princess Melrose. So, if anyone here believes these two should not be joined in matrimony, please speak now or forever hold your peace. Do you have...
Seriously? The pumpkin that doesn't talk. What? Yeah.
You're the goat.
Seriously. King Orchard, can we please get on with this?
I suppose that you could...
King Orchard, this is ridiculous. Can we please hurry this up?
One moment.
It's a chicken.
I'm hungry, okay?
Patrick Princess, society.
He already believes that I can save the people of Mapleside. Ugh, that name's gotta go. What he doesn't know is I've been hoarding all the apples to make it look like there's a shortage.
That sounded like you.
Once I marry Princess Melrose,
Lock her in a dungeon and take over the orchard, I will rule the entire kingdom of Mapleside. Ugh, that name's gotta go.
Wait a minute. I get it now. Sour Seed here's been hoarding all the apples to make it look like there's a shortage.
There's no apple shortage.
All in attempts to marry the princess and take over the kingdom.
That is preposterous. Are you gonna believe a chicken and a simple little farm boy?
Certainly.
He's not just a simple little farm boy. He's Patch Greenleaf. And he's smart and handsome and can dance and... Do you play an instrument?
A little guitar.
And he plays an instrument and he loves nature and adventure just like me.
Huge. This has gone on long enough, King Orchard. I demand you marry us at once.
Well, that's not going to happen, sour poop.
It's sour seed!
You fools, you think you can foil my plan. Paisley, catch the princess. Pick up back. Oh, ow! Go get it. Oh, get it now. Here we go, buddy. Nice. Princess, I didn't know you knew anything about me.
I think I know you better than I realized.
And we're keeping the name Mapleside.
Hooray!
Hooray!
Da, 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 da.